Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 S560 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath there's a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has the sports package with the 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, sports exterior and sports interior. A silk beige espresso brown interior, high gloss burl walnut trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, comfort box for extra storage, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, speed limit assist, Distronic Plus, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, wood and leather steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This S560 has 12,101 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 S560 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.